my name is Chelsey McMillan from Sew and Glow Quilting, and today we're going to be talking about posture. Okay, so posture is something that I feel like people are talking about for sit-down quilting or sewing on a domestic machine, but it is really important to have good posture while you're long arm quilting because you don't want to hurt your back and you want to be able to quilt as much as possible without feeling any pain or discomfort. So it is really important to have good posture. And today I'm going to show you what I do, my tips, and how I keep back pain or any kind of pain at a minimum while I'm quilting. So when I had my long arm set up, I used an APQS technician, and she helped me set the height of my table, which was really nice. And she explained it to me why. So when you're at your machine and you have the handles, you really want a nice 90-degree angle on your arms when you're holding on to your machine. And this really helps set you up for success for your posture. So really, ideally, and this is for me, and I think it really goes for most people, but if you keep your arms at a 90-degree angle, try to keep your back nice and straight. You don't want to hunch over because that is going to cause a lot of pain. And I know you have to look down to find your lines and your laser light, but we can do that in a way that's not going to hurt our backs. So if you do need to lean forward, you kind of pivot at your hips instead of hunching your back, okay? So what we really want to do is keep our back nice and straight and engage your core. I know it sounds really weird, but it does feel really good, I promise. So if we have our back straight and our core engaged while we're guiding our machine, and we can hinge at our hips instead of curling our back, that is going to go a long ways for preventing pain. One more thing that I like to do, I like to wear supportive shoes because if I'm on my feet all day, I have very high arches. And if I don't wear nice and supportive shoes, my feet start to ache. And really, if you're taking care of your feet and your back, that's really, really going to help with any kind of pain, back pain, foot pain, and it's really going to set you up for success, right? And it's going to set you up for just not hurting yourself. All right, so now I'm going to quilt for you, and you can see what I'm talking about while I'm actually doing it. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start with, in my mind, thinking about keeping my back straight, engaging my core, and not hunching. Okay, you don't want to hunch. You don't want to do this. It hurts. Okay, so I'm going to keep my back straight and my core engaged, and I'm going to keep my arms at a 90-degree angle. And one thing that Julia, who helped me set up my machine, she's super amazing. She does videos on here too. She actually taught me to hold my left hand on my handle and my other hand actually right here on the machine. And I'm not gripping, I'm just gently guiding. And that will make a really big difference too in the way that you're guiding your machine. Good posture, and then not a death grip, okay? Because that hurts eventually, you know? That doesn't feel good. So I'm gonna show you right now. Here we go. All right, hopefully I had good posture. I wasn't looking. So I really hope this helps. And I think it's really a great idea just to think about it. Just think about posture quickly before you start quilting. And yes, eventually you do kind of start to hunch. But if you just remember, hey, I got to remember my posture, my back hurts or whatever. When you just think about that before you start quilting, I promise it will help. Well, I hope that helped. And if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments. But just remember, when you're quilting, right before you start, just think about your posture. And every time, if you reset, you know, when you have to move something on the front of your machine or when you're advancing your machine, right before you start quilting, just think posture, and I promise it will help. So anyways, yes, let us know if you have any comments. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more and have a great day. Bye.